Hey guys, what's up? I'm Aaron. My father just bought me a iPhone 7 Plus Rose Gold 128 GB from Dubai. He just surprised me and said, "Son, I just bought it for you." So I'm very happy to have this one. So here's the iPhone. It's Rose Gold. See, it's from Dubai. 128 GB. It's all good. The Apple logo, all that. Now let's get this bad boy open up. The case is like of good stickers, descriptions, blah blah. I'll show you the phone at the last. It's like a pinpointed. It's a little bit triangle. It has two holders here and here. So that's kind of cool. So don't think they are the AirPods. They are the simple headpods. Here the wire. The cool thing is it doesn't have any headphone jack, so it's given up this. Like take the jack, plug the jack here, and attach this one to here, like so we can hear the music. Cool. And the wire, it is like, yeah, the wire is also good. Like here's let's go for the boy. Here's iPhone 7. The color is a bit girlish, but I like it. Here's a dual camera, flashlight, and blah blah blah. Let's turn it on. It's on. It's looking very cool. It's written, designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. Model, I can't tell you. Just starting up. I don't know why every single Apple product has this. The channel English. I'm of India, so like go. Yeah, it's English India. It's rubber. I'll just be back in a moment. It says it's joining. Waiting for the password to be joined. It's taking a lot of time. Yeah, it can take a few minutes to activation of your phone. I don't like wasting the time. It's saying please insert a SIM card. So